How to fix the missing Add Friend button on your Facebook profile. Step-by-step guide for 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing Add Friend button on your Facebook profile. If people cannot send you friend requests because the Add Friend option is not showing, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps and you can fix it easily. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Here, you need to tap on How people find and contact you. Now look for the option called Who can send you friend requests. If this setting is selected as Friends of Friends, some users may not see the Add Friend button on your profile. To fix this, simply change the option to Everyone. Once you select Everyone, go back and refresh your profile. Now other people should be able to see the Add Friend button on your Facebook profile again. If the button is still missing, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version from your App Store. You can also try logging out and logging back in or restarting your phone to refresh the app. And that's it. That's how you can fix the missing Add Friend button on Facebook.